Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
We're here to get ready for the 4th of July. Around here at Alameda there's a big parade and lots of people decorate their homes. So we thought we'd make something that would be really fun to make at home using something that we try not to use very much, glitter. But I'll show you how we're going to do it to keep it all safe. So we're going to create fireworks on our paper using glue. So I'm just going to make like lines like this, because later we're going to dump the glue all over it. Maybe some extras like this.
Do you want me to sing the 4th of July song?
Oh, that would be great. You know a lot of them.
Bum, ba-da-da-ba, bum. You're a grand old flag. You're a high-flying flag.
Oh, that's so great. And if you could see Hazel here, she'd probably be tapping too with her tap shoes on.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so now I have the firework-ish. I don't know if you can see this very well because it's white on white. But now, sometimes we use a box, and that way it keeps the glitter from getting everywhere. We're trying to use up all this old glitter that we have in ways that we can be safe, because it's really not so great for the environment, as you probably know already. So now, I'm trying to make sure I cover everything. Then, I'm going to carefully put them back in here. So this is a container of mixed glitter that we keep doing this with until we are finally done with glitter. So I'm going to go like this. And it's mostly glitterized on here. There's one little bit that I missed.
Oh, look at that. That's very fireworksy.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay, so now we have this, and that's really fun, but now we need to do the background. It's not fun enough for me yet. I'm going to clean out a bin that we had to keep the glitter safe from getting all over the place. Okay, now I'm using some liquid watercolor. You could use any paint, but I'm using liquid watercolor that we have that we're actually almost out of, as it turns out.
But if you had like blue construction paper.
You could do that too. That might be actually much easier, except I like to paint, so.
And actually,
I wanted to do paint.
Really pretty.
I know, I really like this liquid watercolor we have. We don't have very much of it left. Oh yeah, our truck. If you ever look at pictures of us on Instagram, you can see the many versions of the truck decorations that we've had. Okay. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to let it dry, and I may go back and add some more paint, but look at that! It looks like fireworks in the sky. All right, thanks everyone. If you make one, please send a picture of it to us, because we'd love to see it. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, friends.